A new study from the University of Michigan suggests that off-label vaginal use of a companion drug to RU-486 may be responsible for a series of rare fatal infections. Dr. David Aronoff explains the study and its implications.
This research was testing the hypothesis that this drug misoprostol, which is used in medical abortion, when used vaginally as opposed to orally, might be predisposing women to an increased risk of infection by suppressing the immune system of the female reproductive tract. The women who were reported to develop this lethal infection after medication abortion had used RU-486 followed by the administration of misoprostol. And when they used misoprostol, they did so in an off-label manner, applying the misoprostol directly as an intravaginal suppository as opposed to orally. And what we found is that when the drug is given orally, it does not appear to have suppressive effects towards reproductive tract immunology. But if the drug is applied directly to the reproductive tract, that's where we can see suppression of the immune system. Misoprostol itself is an analog of a compound that our own body makes, which is called prostaglandin E2. And prostaglandin E2, when its concentrations are high, can also have immunosuppressive effects. And it has been known for a long time that during pregnancy, levels of prostaglandin E2 can be quite high in the reproductive tract. As we learn more about how this compound, prostaglandin E2, regulates the female immune system during pregnancy, we may gain more insight in terms of understanding predisposing factors towards infections that occur during pregnancy that are responsible for problems such as premature delivery, premature rupture of gestational membranes, and both maternal and neonatal mortality. We need, as a medical community, to better understand why women develop infectious complications of pregnancy and how better to treat and prevent them. And so if we can identify risk factors that might be modifiable, then we are going to be in a better position to, in fact, prevent or treat these infectious complications, and that's going to translate into saving lives.